Wow, it's September 21, 2020. This is my Poppy, and Poppy's enjoying the rain bath. Yeah? That's so beautiful, Poppy. Yeah. Wow. Yeah. That's cool. You having fun, Poppy? It's rain, yeah. See this? It's raining over here, and Poppy is enjoying bath. Yeah, just we'll let him take a rain bath just for 5 to 10 minutes. It's not heavy rain, so allow him to take bath. It's too much leaving a bird in too much of heavy rain. It's dangerous. Just a mild bath, yeah. Good bird. Wow, he's so happy. So it started raining heavily. We just take him inside now.